Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix app not hiding on a Samsung phone. So if you're trying to hide an app but it is not working, then there may be various reasons behind it. So this is the video to fix the issue for you. So if you're trying to have a certain app and if it is not hiding, then there may be various reasons behind it. First reason may be that your software may not be updated till the day. So make sure that your software is updated to the day. And to check it, you just need to go on settings on the device, and from here you just need to scroll down till the very end where you see the option of software update. So click on it, and here you will see the option. So if you click on the option of download and install, it is checking whether the software is available or not. So there is an update available like this. So I have already started my download, and after completing the download, if you simply long press on the home screen and click on the option of settings and click on the option of hide apps on home screen like this, and simply select the app which you want to hide from your home screen, click on the option of done, you will be able to simply delete the app. You will be able to simply hide the app like this from your home screen. So that's it. That's how you can fix the app not hiding on a Samsung phone issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.